Themistocles, you old snake. What brings you this far south? Well, you're too late. The Persian messenger already presented his terms to Leonidas. A symbolic offering of earth and water. Spartans! Know this and know it well. At any Spartan's finest moment, the greatest fulfillment of all he holds dear is that moment when he has fought his heart out for the preservation of Sparta and lies dead on the battlefield, victorious. Now, who is willing to die at our king's side?
Themistocles.
You've come a long way to stroke your cock whilst watching real men train.
All I am concerned with is the preservation of Sparta.